Hello students, this is Rajkumar Shivhare, PGT Mathematics at Mount Atrazi School. Now today I am going to teach you lesson 3, class 12th Mathematics, and topic are addition of matrix, addition and subtraction of matrix. So how two or more matrix can be added? Let's see. Let A is a matrix, this one, and B is a matrix, this. Both having order same. This is matrix of the order 2 by 2 and this is also same order 2 by 2. Now A plus B. So write both the matrix in this form, and after this add corresponding elements. For example, here first element is 1 and here first element is 4. So 1 plus 4. Similarly 2 plus 7, 3 plus 8 and 4 plus 2 in this way. And after adding we will get this much. So this is the final result. Now rule is to add or subtract of matrix order should be same. ठीक है, जब भी हम मैट्रिक्स ऐड करते हैं तो उनका ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए, ये कंपलसरी है. नाउ आफ्टर दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. सो लेट अस कंसीडर टू मैट्रिक्स A and B. Matrix A having order M by P and matrix B having order P by N. Now matrix A is called pre-multiplier and matrix B is called post-multiplier. The rule of multiplication of two matrices is the number of column in pre-multiplier. Number of column in pre-multiplier is always equal to the number of rows in post-multiplier. पहली मैट्रिक्स में जो कॉलम है, जितने भी कॉलम होंगे उतने ही रो होने चाहिए दूसरी मैट्रिक्स में, तभी इनका प्रोडक्ट पॉसिबल होगा. और जो रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स बनेगी उसका ऑर्डर आएगा m by n. यानी पहली वाली में जितने रो होंगे उतने यहाँ पे रो होंगे, और दूसरी वाली में पहली वाली में जितने यहाँ रो होंगे उतने इसमें रो होंगे, और दूसरी वाली में जितने यहाँ पे कॉलम होंगे उतने यहाँ पे कॉलम होंगे. ये रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर आएगा. सो ये रूल लिखा हुआ है मैंने. कॉलम ऑफ प्री मल्टीप्लायर इज इक्वल टू द number of rows of post multiplier. This is the rule for multiplication of two matrices. Now on how we can multiply, let's see. हमेशा रो का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं कॉलम से. Let us consider element A, B, C in the row, and in the column capital A, capital B, capital C. And then how can you perform the multiplication? Small a multiply with capital A, similarly B into B, similarly C into C, and in between these put a plus sign. We have to add these. हम ऐड करते हैं. एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 4, 5. We have to multiply this. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 in this way. And after simplifying this, we will get this. Now take another example. Let A is a matrix, this one, of the order 2 into 3. 2 by 3 is the order, and B is another matrix of the order 3 by 3, and we have to perform the multiplication A into B. So the number of, let's see the rule is applicable here or not, multiplication rule. So this matrix having 3 column and this matrix having 3 rows, so the product is possible, and the resultant matrix will be of the order 2 by 3. Now let's see the multiplication. So first row is multiple with first column first of all. Okay, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0. So in this way first element is prepared. Similarly first row is multiple with second column in this way. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 5. Okay, similarly this first row is multiple with third column in this way. Similarly second row multiple with first, second and third column one by one, and we will get this quantity. After solving this we will get this, and This is the final result. So students, with the help of this video, you can able to do the operation of matrix like addition, subtraction or multiplication. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.